Syok tak?
Oh, you tanya I syok tak?
Ha.
Oh, syok.
Syok macam mana?
Ha?
Pernah game ni syok macam mana?
Hello everyone, I'm Navin from the Honda guys. This week at this special Exhibition R event, we are going to do an in-depth review of this 2020 Honda Civic Type R, or for the car enthusiasts is the FK8R. This video is being premiered to all of you exclusively at this Exhibition R event. So stay tuned and enjoy our in-depth review. But remember to subscribe to our channel too, okay? What we have here is the facelifted 2020 Honda Civic Type R that made its debut at the Tokyo Auto Saloon last year. This generation of Type R is manufactured by the Honda UK at the Swindon factory, and a number of improvements have been made to this facelifted model as well as this new racing blue pearl color. And for your information, this car is brought in by Honda Malaysia, and that means this is the only facelifted FK8 that comes with official warranty by Honda Malaysia. This facelifted Honda Civic Type R is powered by a K20C engine with the same power output as before. Rated at 306 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and a 400 Newton meters of torque from 2,500 to 4,500 RPM. The engine has been detuned for market due to fuel quality consideration by the Honda's team, where else the engine is rated at 316 horsepower. The 0 to 100 kilometers is done in 5.7 seconds with the top speed is limited at 272 kilometers per hour, and it was once the world's fastest front wheel car around the ring with 7 minutes 43.8 seconds, and it's 7 seconds quicker than the FK2. One thing that is missing here is the roar of the VTEC. You will not feel the VTEC kicks in anymore at 6,000 RPM, and that feeling is the last available in the FD2R model. That is the true last JDM Type R, as the Type R after that is built in Swindon factory in UK. The front fascia features a minor tweak to the exterior, mirroring the one on the previous Civic hatchback, which is unfortunately not available here. The front grille might look the same to you, but it has been redesigned to allow better cooling to the engine. There is no more fake mesh grille air intake, and you will notice the small body colored fins, okay, at the front and the rear bumper as well. As you guys notice, the front fender is much more wider compared to the normal Civic, and this body colored cladding right here at the rear arch is to accommodate a wider tire. Honda Civic Type R comes with a 20-inch Berlina black wheel with 245/30 Continental Sports Compact 6 for all sides. The rear features the popular C-shaped LED combination taillight with a huge spoiler, which according to Honda is to provide more downforce than ever before, and the fact that this car having all the intake holes is not just for gimmick but to serve specific purposes. If you are looking for a sports compact with a huge boot space, then you are looking at the right one. Practicality is one of the main points for Honda Civic Type R with 420 liters of boot space, which is bigger than the City RS. Before we forget, thank you to Baling Motor for giving us this opportunity to be the first to review this official unit from Honda Malaysia. And after driving the car for 2 days in and out of town, we find this car is suitable for everyone to drive it daily. We like the performance and we like how it behaves according to our driving style. To know more about the driving experience, please stay tuned to our video next week where I will share my driving experience.
Woo! Wow! Damn good, man.
Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button to get our latest video. As always, I'm Navin and our crew behind the Honda Guys, Ik, signing off for this week's video. We are the Honda Guys. We are all about Hondas. See you again next week. Bye bye. Subscribe. Press that like button. Please press the like button.